How's it going, everybody? This is Brian with Royal Kennels. We came here to visit the Diesel, aka the Big Mac, and Mia litter. We have 5 females and 1 male available. Here's one of the girls. Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy. Beautiful little girl. Here's another one of the little females. I really love this little girl. She looks just like her mom. Look at that, y'all. They all have full tails. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful little girl. Hey, mommy. Come here. Come on. I know. Look at that. She's a lighter tri. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. How's Mia doing?
Doing good.
Doing good? Alright. Look at this male. Look at that. If I had a choice, I would definitely pick this one. This little dude is a beast. And this is the little runt.
Oh God, Mom.
Little man. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great day and God bless you.